Guys, today we talk about how can you select reminder time on your My Jewelry app. We go to figure out the selection or know how you can do that in your app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. So all you have to do, so you just go above this sign, click on it. You just click on it here. It's going to show for you a list like this here. So then all you have to do now, just click here on settings. When you just click here on settings, it's going to take you to this list here. It's going to show for you like this. Then all you have to do, so you just click on notifications here. You come here to reminder chime, click on it. So then here can you add your reminder chime, then you click on OK, then it's going to add with you. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.